Home security is a top priority for homeowners across Gilbert, Arizona. With growing neighborhoods, beautiful homes, and active family lifestyles, protecting what matters most starts right at the front door. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to improve home security is through replacement doors. Modern door technology has advanced significantly, offering homeowners stronger materials, smarter designs, and enhanced protection without sacrificing style. Stronger materials mean better protection. Older doors, especially those made from hollow wood or outdated materials, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Replacement doors are built with security in mind. Many modern options use reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid core construction that resists kicking, prying, and impact. For Gilbert homeowners, where homes may have multiple exterior doors including front entries, patio doors, and side doors, upgrading to stronger materials provides peace of mind. A well-built replacement door creates a solid barrier that deters intruders before they even attempt entry. Advanced locking systems add an extra layer of safety. Today's replacement doors are designed to work seamlessly with advanced locking systems. Multi-point locks, reinforced strike plates, and heavy-duty deadbolts significantly reduce the risk of break-ins. Unlike older doors that rely on a single locking point, modern doors secure the frame at multiple locations, making forced entry much more difficult. Many Gilbert families also choose doors that support smart lock integration. This allows homeowners to monitor access, lock doors remotely, and receive alerts, an added level of control that enhances both security and convenience. Reinforced frames and hinges matter more than you think. The door is only as secure as its frame. Replacement door installations typically include reinforced frames that are anchored properly into the structure of the home. This prevents the door from being easily kicked in, even under significant force. High-quality hinges are another key security upgrade. Modern replacement doors often feature tamper-resistant hinges and concealed hinge designs, reducing weak points that intruders might exploit. For neighborhoods throughout Gilbert, where homeowners value long-term safety, these details make a noticeable difference. Impact-resistant glass keeps doors secure and stylish. Many homes in Gilbert feature doors with decorative glass panels to let in natural light. While older glass doors can be vulnerable, modern replacement doors use impact-resistant or laminated glass. These materials are designed to crack rather than shatter, making it extremely difficult for someone to break through. Homeowners can still enjoy beautiful entryway designs while maintaining strong security. Frosted, textured, or reinforced glass options provide both privacy and protection, ideal for family-oriented neighborhoods. Improved fit eliminates security gaps. Over time, doors can warp, shift, or develop gaps due to heat and everyday use, something common in Arizona's climate. These gaps don't just affect energy efficiency, they can also create security risks. Replacement doors are custom fitted to your home, ensuring a tight seal and proper alignment. A secure fit makes it harder for tools to be wedged into the door and ensures lock's function as intended. This upgrade alone can dramatically reduce vulnerabilities in older homes. Security that enhances home value and peace of mind beyond physical protection. Replacement doors offer emotional reassurance. Knowing your home is well protected allows you to relax, whether you're at work, asleep, or away on vacation. In Gilbert's competitive housing market, enhanced security can also increase curb appeal and resale value, making replacement doors a smart long-term investment. A smart upgrade for Gilbert homeowners. Replacing your doors is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a proactive step toward a safer home. With stronger materials, advanced locks, reinforced frames, and modern designs, replacement doors help Gilbert homeowners protect their families while enhancing comfort and style. When security starts at the door, peace of mind follows.